Hey guys, welcome to the video. So in this video, we are going to discuss the complete roadmap from starting into data science to building a career in it. Since data science skills is a very required skill in the current job market, so it is not necessary if you need a degree in it to start a career in it. For getting a job in data science in 2026, you just need learning the required skills, build projects, add the projects to your CV, and start applying for internships and jobs. So we will be discussing what are the required skills here, how to learn those skills, and how to build projects after that, and then create a portfolio and start applying. The required skills for data science are Python, statistics, some part of mathematics, machine learning algorithms, and the knowledge of the industry or domain in which you are applying the data science concepts. First, we will have to learn a coding language, which is Python in this case, because in data science industry, Python is the language which is majorly used. It is easy to learn for people coming from different fields like statistics and mathematics to learn and contribute to data science. Apart from this, Python has some more benefits like good community support. The people in Python community keep contributing by adding different libraries, and when I was learning Python, I came to know that Python is also known as gentleman's language because of the strong community support it has gained in all these years. It has industry acceptance and the powerful libraries like Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Seaborn, Scikit-learn, TensorFlow, PyTorch, stats models, and many more, which are the backbone of data science. Don't worry, in the coming videos, I'll be uploading complete tutorials for Python and libraries for data science soon. Second important skill is statistics. When we start working with different machine learning algorithms and models, for understanding how a particular model works or on what statistical principle it works, it is important to learn certain concepts of statistics such as mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, and more. These are the concepts of descriptive statistics. These concepts also help us understand the data, like what is the average salary of the employee in the given dataset. Concepts like hypothesis testing, confidence intervals, p-values, t-test, z-test are used to test if the model is working fine, like if the new marketing strategy is working better or not. These concepts come under inferential statistics. This is a small overview of statistics in data science. There is a lot to learn about it which we will be doing in the later videos. Third important skill here is mathematics. Like statistics, mathematics too is not directly related, but it is an integral part of the machine learning algorithm. It is what makes the machine learning models work. Concepts like algebra, probability, calculus, differentiation, maxima, minima are used in different machine learning models for understanding the geometrical intuition of a particular model. Two-dimensional and three-dimensional geometry is used. Don't worry if you are not from a technical or mathematical background, these concepts are not tough, and while learning each machine learning model, we will be understanding the mathematical intuition of them too, so that the understanding of the model gets clear. The fourth important skill here is machine learning itself. Machine learning is a method of teaching the computers to learn patterns from data and make predictions or decisions without being explicitly programmed. Basically, machine learning is the backbone of the whole data science process. It is the most important element after data itself because the algorithms work on data and find important insights which human eyes can't interpret by just looking at the data. And it makes a model, or we can say that it writes a piece of code which works and gives predictions whenever any new data is provided. We can say that it is the prediction engine in the data science process. Some commonly used machine learning algorithms are linear regression, ridge regression, lasso regression, polynomial regression, k-means, hierarchical clustering, etc. Fifth and the last one is domain knowledge, which is basically the industry knowledge of a particular industry for which the data scientists are working. Since data science is a skill which is used in almost every industry to make predictions for the profit of the business, it is used in various domains like finance and banking, healthcare, e-commerce and retail, marketing and advertising, social media analytics, media and entertainment, transportation and logistics, manufacturing and industry, cybersecurity, telecommunications, education and edtech, agriculture and agri-tech, energy and utilities, sports analytics, government and public policy, real estate, insurance, climate and environmental science. For example, a credit analyst in banks, when a customer goes to a bank for asking for credit or loan, the credit analyst sitting in the bank checks the financial past or the record of the customer, and based on the database records and predictions of the bank, it suggests if the customer should be credited the loan or not. The person doing this job should have a good knowledge of banking and finance. Similarly, person performing analysis on sales data for an e-commerce company should have the knowledge of supply chain management. A data scientist in any social media company like Facebook or Instagram should have the knowledge of marketing. These are the core skills required. Apart from these skills, there are some more skills required like GitHub, some part of SQL also. We will be practicing these skills by creating projects. We will get the practice datasets from Kaggle or we can scrape it from different websites. These are the small topics we will be covering after we complete the 5 things which we discussed in the video. We will be learning all these skills one by one and building projects too. Till then, take care and keep learning, keep practicing, keep building.